Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got the answers. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. How to get a green card. Immigration to the U.S. as a chef. Food is one of the things that brings us together. And every year, thousands of cooks and chefs from around the world come to America to expand their culinary knowledge and settle into a new home. The United States is known as the melting pot of the world, mixing endless ethnicities, nationalities, and culture into the food industry. There is a huge opportunity for culinary chefs and cooks in America. So, what is the chef visa to the United States? It's important for you, the petitioner, to understand that there's a difference between a cook and a chef. The Department of Labor accurately describes these positions and distinguishes between them. In general, chefs have more managerial responsibilities than the cooks who primarily prepare food. The first visa is the E-2 visa. Chefs holding managerial or specialist positions may be issued E-2 visas to work for a qualified E-2 enterprise. The H-1B visa. In the past, the USCIS has held that chefs were not professionals or specialists. However, practice shows chefs employed by large hotels and prestigious restaurants, such as Michelin star restaurants, may be granted H-1B visas. Usually, the foreign national must be primarily engaged in management duties as opposed to working in front of a stove. The H-2B visa. Chefs may qualify for temporary positions during a busy season. For example, the employer is a ski resort and the position is for the winter season. Once the employer proves the position is temporary or seasonal, the employer will be barred from sponsoring the foreign national for a permanent labor certification for that position. The J-1 visa. A young cook seeking exposure to how a restaurant operates in the U.S. may obtain a J-1 industrial trainee visa for up to 8 months. Many organizations have J-1 programs specifically credited for training in the culinary arts. The L-1 visa. Chefs with management responsibilities employed by multinational companies should be eligible for L-1 visas. It is also possible that a specialized knowledge chef or cook could obtain an L-1 visa. The O-1 visa. O-1 visas are available for chefs of extraordinary ability. Extensive evidence is required to show that the chef is a culinary artist of distinction who is renowned, leading, or well-known in the field. Immigrants are extremely crucial to the food industry in the U.S., and many famous immigrant chefs have changed food in America. One such immigrant is Wolfgang Puck from Austria. Wolfgang moved to America when he was 24 years old. He wound up in Los Angeles working in several restaurants, learning many techniques that would shape the LA food scene. he turned his talents into many restaurants, box meals, schools, books, kitchen accessories, and every facet of a full-on culinary empire that you can think of. Are you the next Wolfgang Puck? If you would like to find out how you can apply for a work visa as a chef in the United States, contact us right now. Ask the Lawyer, 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845, or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.